Hi, it's Angeline here. Welcome to another crafty video with Unity Stamp. Today I'm going to do a card that kind of looks like a photo frame. So first, I've already stamped this beautiful image by Terry Jackson on some white cardstock. And I'm grabbing some distress inks. You could grab any distress inks that you have. This set is kind of cool because it already makes sure that all the colors work well together. So I'm just smooshing some ink onto my craft mat and spritzing some water and just grabbing my water brush to just paint it in. What's nice about this is for those who would love to try watercoloring but do not have any watercolors, you could grab any distress inks or water-based inks and just try it out first to see if you like it. And you see that I'm not doing any crazy complicated coloring here, just some really easy, simple coloring. I'm sure you can do it. You just start off light, really light, and then just add on darker shades for the shadows. Here I'm grabbing a Nuvo jewel drop to just add a heart in. And finally, off camera, I did use my Spectrum Noir gold brush pen to just paint the edges up to kind of look more like a photo frame. So this is how my card looks like. I hope you enjoyed this technique. Thanks for watching. Bye!